Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and good day. So for today's video, we are going to discuss about interaction design basics. But before we start, let us know first the objectives. So the objectives of interaction design basics is to understand the meaning of significance in use of interaction design, maximize their understanding of interaction design, apply the learning of interaction design of creating an efficient and user-friendly interface.
Interaction design focus on how users interact with product, particularly digital product like apps and websites, to achieve their goals effectively. It involves designing the dialogue between user and system to make interaction initiative and engaging and delightful. Consider various factors like aesthetics, motions, sound, and space to create meaningful and user-friendly experience. Interaction design is the creation of dialogue between a person and a product, system, or services. This dialogue is both physical and emotional in the nature that manifested in the interplay between form, function, and technology experience over time. One example might be the design of mobile app. The designer would like into account how user would interact with the app, what kind of behavior they would expect, and what visual would be most effective in conveying the desired information. Another example might be the design an electronic coffee pot. Interaction human designs can provide valuable insight into how different energetic types of interact in a relationship, helping individuals understand and by navigate their interaction with others. By understanding each other's energetic profiles, couples can gain deeper understanding of each other's strengths, weaknesses, and communication styles. This can lead to more empathy, better communication, and stronger, more fulfilling relationship. The design of interactive product and service, which is designer focus, goes beyond item development to include the way user will interact. Interaction designs focus on creating interactive product, environment, and services by prioritizing behavior in how people interact with them. It's a field concerned with designing the way users engage with technology.
Interaction design common methodologies. So there are 6 common methodologies of interaction design, which are the user-centered design, goal-directed design, design thinking, activity-centered design, agile UX, and participatory design. So user-centered design, it focuses on needs, wants, and limitations of end users. So ito yung method kung saan inuuna ang pangangailangan ng kagustuhan at limitasyon ng mga users. So ang bawat hakbang sa design na ito mula sa pagplano, paggawa hanggang sa pagtesting ay nakatuon sa karanasan at kaginhawaan ng isang user. So goal-directed design. Design based on user goal and behaviors. So ito yung methods na nakatuon sa goals ng users. So ang design ay ginagawa hindi lamang para maging maganda or functional, kundi para tulungan ang user na makamit ang kanyang particular na goals sa paggamit ng product. So, design thinking. It encourages creativity and innovation. So ito yung methods to solve a problem na ginagamit ng mga designers. Ang goals nito ay para unawain ang mga tunay na pangangailangan ng tao, bumuo ng maraming idea at to test the solutions ng paulit-ulit hanggang sa makahanap ng pinaka-effective na design. So design thinking have 5 stages, which are the emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So emphasize, understand the user's needs, emotions, and experience through observations and engagement. Define, clearly identify and articulate the core problem based on what you learned during empathy. So ideate, brainstorm a wide range of creative, certain, and potential solutions. So prototype, Build simple, scaled down various of the ideas to explore possible solutions. Test, try out the prototypes with real users, gather feedback, and request the solution. Activity-centered design focuses on activities user perform rather than the users themselves. So ito yung design na nakatuon sa activity na gustong isagawa ng user at hindi sa user mismo. Ang goal nito ay suportahan ang process ng gawain para maging maayos ang paggamit ng isang product sa halip na pagtuunan ng pansin ang personal preferences ng bawat user. Ang design ay nakabase sa karaniwang hakbang na ginagawa sa isang particular na trabaho or task. So next is Agile UX. Agile UX combine UX design with agile development. So it is a modern way ng pag-design ng user experiences na naka-integrate sa mabilis at flexible development process tulad ng Agile.
Go.
So the last is participatory design. So it involves stakeholders and user directly in the design process. So ito yung methods kung saan aktibong kasali ang mga end user at stakeholders sa design process. Hindi lang sila binibigyan ng feedback sa dulo, kundi kasama sila sa paggawa ng mga idea at solusyon mula sa simula. So goal nito ay makuha ang perspective ng mga tao na talagang gagamit ng product at matiyak na ang design ay angkop at effective para sa kanila. Interaction Design Association. So, Interaction Design Association is a global organization focused on advancing the discipline of interaction design.
Go.
So, it connects professionals, educators, and researchers who specialize in interaction design and related fields like user experience, usability, and design thinking. It is work to promote best practices, facilitates networking, and supports the growth of the interaction design and community.
The importance of interaction design is crucial for creating user-friendly, enjoyable, engaging experience with digital products. Let's focus on how user interact with interface, soaring, seamless, navigation and detail, controls and satisfaction, feedback by prioritizing